The best for your G-Class wagon W463, 2013. Update 2024. Model 464 complete interior kit and exterior kit, fully changed rims and tire, interior long screen steering wheel seat, new VIP massager seat, backside starlight gear console door cover body kit, hood fender headlight black edition, corner light black edition, backlight rear bumper, front bumper grille, all same like new model original design kit. Complete available. Welcome to the order more information inbox. Super comfortable and multi-optional. Rear seats assembly. Buy available for order in different colors. CI we accept bank wire, cash, crypto, USDT. Worldwide shipping. For details, price, and orders feel free to contact us. +971 568 246101. The best regards. Cardction Motorsport TM.